The bridge is still out here at the Fiery Gizzard. It got washed away, but luckily we had a natural bridge, a log jam. A lot of people have crossed it. It's actually kind of flat, so it's not that bad. Obviously I made it across successfully, no broken bones, but yeah, I'm glad to not have wet feet. Kind of makes me think back to the Smokies and the trip, the winter hike failure trip. Not so much this time. We're up on the plateau now, or one of them. We'll drop back down into the gorge here in a few miles. But we've decided to come up Dog Hole Trail as opposed to sticking on the creek trail, the Fiery Gizzard Creek Trail. And it's just kind of easy going up here on top. Going out to Ravens Point for lunch. Looking forward to eating some food. I'm hungry. Oh man. It's got a hole in it. So just finished lunch at Ravens Point. It was a good lunch spot. Actually dozed off. Whew, came out of that gorge. Man, unless you know that you're alive. Got you breathing hard. We got 2 more of those for the camp. And the last one, it's a doozy. I don't think there's any steps on that one. You got to use trees to pull yourself up somewhat. Love it. If you hadn't been out here to the Fiery Gizzard and you love to hike, then shame on you. If you're within a couple of hours of driving distance, it's worth it. Absolutely worth it. Let's see if I can go behind this falls this year without slipping like I did this time. You got trash? I'm not carrying a beer bottle.
Pepsi. A little Pepsi Cola bottle. Leave no trace.
So we're coming up on the whiskey stills. They're all rusted out. And this real nice waterfall. Yeah. It's time for some water. If this water was good enough for moonshine, it's good enough for me. I'm about to get some. Check out this waterfall.
Open up the trash can and that bag is shredded.
So it's about 4 o'clock, and we're about a mile, I would say, from campsite. You can see behind me the sun is setting. And we definitely don't want to be in that gorge when it's dark. The last gorge before small wilds. So we've somewhat quickened our pace here in the last hour or so, 2 hours. Definitely faster than what we were this morning. Man, but we couldn't stop videoing and taking pictures of beautiful scenery. That was nice. Alright, so we're finally to the gorge, and we're about to go down and go back up. So this is a really neat gorge. Big boulders and everything. It drops really sharply and it goes back up really sharply. So looking forward to this, and then getting to camp and getting camp set up and getting something to eat.
That's just the Harrisburg, which is 167 miles away. We'll work at the time, but then she was sitting down.
It's steep, treacherous, slick, all of the above. If you've got heart disease, this will exploit it and let you know. This is pretty strenuous, but it just, like I've been saying, just lets you know that you're alive. Legs are tired.
I was sitting there, I was like, I was praying about it. I said, you know what? That's about the best case scenario because I didn't get hurt. Nothing happened to the phone. I'm like, I mean, the mic got wet. Okay.
So if you lose a mic.
Yeah, I mean, and didn't lose my face.
Right.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
For whatever it's worth, I was praying about the cramps.
Yeah.
Really close to the camp area, Small Wilds camp area. You get small hints of campfire, one of the greatest smells in the world. It smells good. So we're coming up from our campsite. We're going to stay at the group camp. We got this huge group campsite that'll fit 30 people. All to ourselves, because it was the last one that was left. It doesn't look like everyone's here. But luckily it's so spread out that the whole campsite, that you're not on top of each other. So over there you can see the privy. So it'll be nice access. I like this campsite a lot. It's worth the $12 a person. All right, well we're gonna get camp set up and set our chairs up. We all brought chairs, so doggone it, we're gonna use our chairs. It's a luxury. Good day in the Fiery Gizzard. Well, on the Fiery Gizzard Trail. We've got camp set up. Leonidas is over here in the blue duplex. I'm in the camo duplex. And what do you have, Keith?
Huh?
What do you have?
Oh, Gossamer Gear the 2.
Gossamer Gear the 2. So it's really starting to chill off. And you can see we've got more clothes on. Obviously we're not hiking either, so that plays a big part in it. But we're collecting firewood and we're gonna fire it up tonight, man. So it's pretty picked over around here. I mean, severely, but there are some stuff that's kind of laying around. I think that we'll be okay. But anyway, I'll check back in here shortly after we get everything fired up and get some water and we sit down to have some dinner. Well, once again, Leonidas, he'll have a shake. So anyway, all right, well, good deal. Well, we're here at Small Wilds, Fiery Gizzard. If you're not camping here, what's wrong with you? This place is awesome. It even has a pit toilet. Good morning, everybody. I had a great night of sleep. I was so warm. Leonidas just said that it was 27 last night here up on the Cumberland Plateau, on this specific plateau that we're on. And so my water bottle didn't freeze, but my water carrier, my water bladder that I use to transport water or just have extra water, it does have some ice floating into it and it was outside of my tent. So sun shining, beautiful. We've already got the fire going again. Lee and I just got up and got the fire going, so let's go over and check it out. All right, let's get some coffee started by the fire.
That was part of what he covered in one of his videos, was how they had to have a kind of a
That's good.
flavor coffee you drinking.
3 and 5 boxes of 5. Take that off.
That's gotta go. I use.
She's like, no. He's like, amount of.
So that little overlook just right here at the camp. Once again, this is why, or that is why, this is one of my favorite trails. So we've gotten started. We gotten started a lot later than what we wanted. We just slow rolled this morning, breaking down camp, talking to fellow campers, 2 gentlemen that walked up that were hobbyists like us, and his name was Kenny, and I didn't get the other gentleman's name. If you're watching this, I apologize. It was not polite of me, so I do apologize. Comment below and I'll say hey. But anyway, man, it was a great conversation with those 2 guys. You could tell they really loved what we loved, and they knew some of the same people that we knew, so that was very interesting. Hopefully you can hear me over the waterfall. It is flowing nicely. But I want to thank Leonidas and Squidly for coming along on this hike with me. It was a good one. It was actually it was a great one. We had a really good time and everything. So this won't be my last time here to the Fiery Gizzard, and there will be many more hikes in this area. So thanks for coming along on this hike with me, and if you found any value in this content, hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Also, so you don't miss a thing, hit that little bell so you'll get a notification each time I load up new content onto the channel. So, but I guess until next time, and I guess hang with me. We're gonna finish out this hike, but until next time, we'll see you guys on the trail. Thanks a lot.